Hello! Welcome back to our story. Today, we are in a small, beautiful city. Meet David. David is 25 years old. He lives in a quiet house. David loves English. He studies English books every night. He knows many words. He knows apple, train, beautiful, and family. But David has a big problem. He is afraid to speak. He never talks to people in English. He thinks, my English is bad. People will laugh at me. Today is Saturday. David is at his favorite cafe. He is drinking hot coffee. He has his English notebook on the table. Suddenly, a young woman enters the cafe. She has blonde hair and a big camera. She looks around. She sees David's notebook. She walks to his table with a warm smile. The woman stops near David. She says, "Excuse me. Hello, is this seat free?" David's face becomes red. His heart beats fast. He understands the question. He takes a deep breath. He says, "Hello, yes, it is free. Please sit down." The woman smiles happily and sits. "Thank you," she says. "My name is Emily. I am a tourist from London." David says slowly, "Nice to meet you, Emily. My name is David." Emily looks at his notebook. "Oh, are you learning English? That is amazing," she says. David blushes. "Yes, I am trying, but my English is very simple. I am sorry." Emily laughs softly. "Do not be sorry, David. Simple English is perfect. I can understand you very well." David feels a little confident now. Emily is very friendly. He wants to practice. He asks a simple question. "Do you like this city, Emily?" Emily nods. "Yes, I love it. The people are very kind and the food is delicious. Today, I want to visit the big park. Where is the park?" David thinks for a moment. He uses short sentences. "The park is near. Walk straight on this street. Turn left at the supermarket. The park is there. It has many green trees." Emily says, "Wow, thank you. Your directions are very clear. See, you can talk in English." David smiles. He is not shaking anymore. He is actually having a conversation in English. Emily takes her camera. "Look," she says, "I love photography. This is my hobby. I take photos of beautiful buildings, flowers, and happy people. What is your hobby, David?" David thinks about his life. "I like gardening," he says. "I have small fruit trees in my garden. I like nature. And of course, I love learning English. I watch videos and read short stories." Emily smiles. "Gardening is a beautiful hobby. Nature is peaceful. And your English study is working. You are speaking to a person from London right now. You are doing great." David feels very proud. He understands that he does not need big words. He only needs to try. They drink their coffee together. They talk for 1 hour. They talk about weather, books, and family. Sometimes David makes a mistake. He says he like instead of he likes. But Emily does not care. She understands the meaning. David learns a big secret today. The secret is this: speaking English is about communication, not perfection. People do not check your grammar rules when you talk. They just want to connect with you. Emily looks at her watch. "Oh, it is late," she says. "I must go to the park now. Thank you for the coffee and the lovely conversation, David." David stands up. He feels like a new person. "Thank you, Emily. Goodbye. Have a nice day." Emily leaves the cafe. David sits back down. He looks at his notebook. He writes a new sentence in it. "Today I talked to a British person. I can speak English." Now, David is not afraid anymore. Next time he sees a tourist, he will smile and say, "Hello. Now I am talking to you. Yes, you, the person who is watching this video." David was afraid, but he talked. You can do the same. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are your teachers. Open your mouth and speak. Talk to your friends, talk to yourself, or talk in the comments. You have the power. Let's practice right now. Answer the simple question in the comments below. What is your hobby? Write a simple sentence like David. For example, my hobby is reading, or I like music. You are learning and you are doing great. Yes, you can speak English. See you in the next story. Goodbye.